Start. Now, certain instances have been mentioned as, for instance, tea stop. As you know, sir, before independence, the tea industry was practically in the hands of Europeans. Stop. You cannot call it a monopoly because a large number of companies were owning the tea gardens. Stop. Of course, they were all foreigners, but gradually in the last 12 years, a large number of tea gardens have changed hands, and now a large number of Indians own tea gardens. Stop. Even in the broking firms, a number of Indians have been taken as partners. Stop. Since the tea industry was completely in the hands of Europeans before independence, the sales were mostly in the United Kingdom, and naturally the British had an advantage because there the people wanted to buy and they were also the sellers here. Stop. But after the national government came into existence, we have been taking all possible steps to see that Indians get a share, and a constantly rising share in the business of the country, and the quantum of our share is gradually increasing. And I think now in the tea trade over 80% must be in the hands of Indians. Stop. There are some very good tea gardens with them, and as a matter of fact, in the matter of quality, they are in no way inferior to the foreigners. Stop. Therefore, so far as the government policy is concerned, I do not think there is anything that can be said against it. But you cannot stop the communist members from accusing the government, because that is what they will do, whether it is right or wrong. Stop. That is their monopoly, and you cannot prevent them. Stop. In fact, the policy of the government in the matter of labor legislation and other measures has been to see that the industrialists and the big businessmen do not exploit the situation, and that the labor get a fair deal. Stop. Their wages are increased, bonus is given properly. Stop. They have a living wage, a fair wage, and so on. Stop. As a matter of fact, any legislation that is introduced seeks to increase the amenities of workers, and in spite of this being so, if somebody wants to criticize, well, you cannot prevent them, because they do not care for facts nor for truth. Stop. This resolution has no meaning because there are no monopolistic concerns, and there is no question of any enquiry being held. Stop.